good? What's good? This is my new friend. Alright, so hold on. Where you from? You from here?
Yeah.
Yeah, what grade you in?
I'm not going to see her.
Bet, hey, you my new friend.
Are you a new friend?
Yeah, we walking off with each other, bro.
So where?
Let's just go there. So look, let me know what you've been doing this summer. You got any lit, like any lit stories? You got anything to share? So you a boring girl, you just stay inside all day. So I gotta change that for you.
Change that?
Yeah.
I have a boyfriend.
Listen, you can have two.
What is good for me?
You a loyal girl? You want boyfriend insurance? You know what that is? Listen, it's hot boy summer, so you know these niggas cheating, right?
No, he's not.
Yeah, they cheating, right? So listen. If you got a house, that's cool. What if the house burned down? You need house insurance, right? Think about it.
It's not a house.
Think about it. Listen. So if the house burned down and you got no insurance, you're homeless now, right? You got no home. So don't consider me a homewrecker. I'm just home insurance.
You're fun.
You like that, right?
It's fun.
Listen, so let me assure you.
You could be my friend.
Bet. Fuck it.
What do you mean?
Open your phone up. It's my new friend. You feel me?
For what? For the Snapchat?
Yeah.
Send me this clip though.
I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah, I do YouTube and stuff like that. Yeah.
What's your account?
You gotta text me for that. I'll show you. Alright, friend. Appreciate you.
Alright.
Okay.